Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the most extraordinary homes ever built. Today, we're exploring a true masterpiece, the stunning $29,950,000 mansion at 1940 Bel Air Road, Los Angeles, California. Perched high above the iconic Stone Canyon Reservoir, this modern estate captures the ultimate blend of privacy, luxury, and architectural excellence. Designed for those who demand perfection, this 17,000 square foot residence is more than just a home, it's a statement of art and achievement. As our drone glides through the Bel Air hills, we see this architectural jewel emerge from lush landscaping, glass walls, stone accents, and a glowing infinity pool that melts into the city skyline. This home is cinematic beauty brought to life. Step through the grand entrance, and you're greeted by double-height ceilings, marble floors, and natural light cascading through towering glass walls. The main living area feels alive with elegance, contemporary art, designer furniture, and panoramic windows framing Los Angeles like a painting. The dining area flows seamlessly into a chef-inspired kitchen, where marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and cutting-edge appliances transform cooking into a luxury experience. Every inch of this home is designed with intention, from soft lighting to architectural details that whisper sophistication. The primary bedroom suite is your personal retreat, a sanctuary with floor-to-ceiling windows, a private terrace, and views that stretch endlessly across the reservoir and skyline. The spa-like bathroom features a freestanding tub, glass shower, and sleek stone finishes, the perfect place to unwind. Each guest suite mirrors this same commitment to comfort and elegance. Every space, from the home theater to the private office, has been built with style and serenity in mind. For car lovers, the garage is a luxury showcase, polished floors, glowing LED accents, and room for your favorite supercars. And then, the outdoors, an entertainer's paradise. The backyard features an infinity pool overlooking the canyon, a fire pit lounge, lush gardens, and open terraces where California's sunsets turn golden evenings into magic. As night falls, the mansion glows softly against the Los Angeles skyline, becoming a modern beacon of success and serenity. Built in 2013, this home embodies the essence of Bel Air, timeless, powerful, and designed for those who want the very best. Represented proudly by David Kramer and Roya Sklar of Hilton and Highland, this is more than a listing, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a chapter of luxury history. At American Dream Mansions, we celebrate architecture that inspires, design that defines, and spaces that move the soul. So sit back, relax, and let's take a tour of this spectacular $29,950,000 Bel Air estate, where every sunrise feels like a dream and every night feels like success. Clapperboard closing shot. Drone pulls back, mansion glowing over Los Angeles. This is 1940 Bel Air Road. This is American Dream Mansions, where your dream home becomes your next reality.